Hey everyone, welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn about SQL operators, that is arithmetic, comparison and logical operators. These operators are the real power behind conditions, calculations and filtering in your SQL queries. By the end of this video, you will know how to perform calculations on columns, how to compare values, how to combine conditions for powerful filtering. Let's get started. Operators in SQL are symbols or keywords used to perform operations on values or expressions. In SQL Server, we group them into arithmetic operators for math, comparison operators for filtering, logical operators for combining conditions. Let's explore each of them with real queries. Now let's see arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. We will see simple and clear examples for each arithmetic operators using the orders table in SQL. First, we will see about addition. Let's say if you want to add price and tax, and we will assume the fixed tax is 100 rupees. We will write select product name, price, price plus 100 as price with tax from orders table. So here we have added 100 as a tax for the product price. Let's execute. As you can see, the original price was 499 and with the tax it's 599 and it's applied for all the rows. Similarly, we can do subtraction. Let's say we are giving a discount of 50 rupees. We'll write minus 50 price after discount. Let's execute. So we can see 499 has become 449 after discount. Now we can also calculate the total amount, that is multiplying price and quantity. So to do that, we'll take the quantity, we'll multiply price and quantity as total amount. Let's execute. So the price is 499, quantity is 2 and the multiplication will become 998 and it is applied for all the rows. Now let's say if you want to calculate average price per unit, that is total amount divided by quantity. So to do that, we'll take one more column here and we'll take this price quantity in this round braces for division and we'll divide it by quantity. So let's execute. Here we'll add the column name as average price per unit. So here we have calculated with the total amount and the quantity what is the average price, that is 499, which is equal to the price. As you can see, it is applied for all the rows. Now let's say if you want to find orders with odd quantities. To do that, we'll add the product name, quantity from orders, and here we'll add the condition like where quantity modulus 2 equal to 1. Let's execute. So as we can see, we got all the orders with odd quantities. If you want even, instead of 1 we write 0 and execute. So we get all the even quantities. Comparison operators used to compare values in where clause. We have different operators like equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, like and in. We'll see examples for each comparison operator using SQL Server. Let's say if you want to find orders where product is left. To do that, we write select star from orders where product name equal to, in the single quote we write laptop. Let's execute. So we did not get any product. Let's see what are the product name we have. So we have keyboard. So instead of laptop we write keyboard. So we got keyboard. Let's say if you want to get customers who are not from India. So to do that, select star from customers where country not equal to India and execute. So we have got all the rows who is not from India. Instead of exclamatory and equals, we can also use this symbol, execute. We get the same results. Let's say if you want to get orders with quantity greater than 5. So to do that, so we have the select star from orders and where quantity greater than 5. Let's execute. So we don't have any quantity which is greater than 5. We'll add 1 and execute. So we have got 5 rows. Similarly, we can write if you want to find orders where price is less than 500. We'll write price less than 500 and execute. So we have got 2 products. Let's say if you want to get customers who have spent 10,000 or more. So to do that, we'll write select star from customers where total spent is greater than or equal to 10,000. Let's execute this. So here we have to add total spent. Let's execute this. So we have got 4 rows who have spent greater than 10,000. If you want to fetch total spent less than 10,000, we'll write less than 10,000. So we will get all the rows who have spent less than 10,000. We also have some special comparison operators like between, which is inclusive of range. Let's say if you want to get total spent between 8,500 and 10,000. So we'll write total spent between 8,500 and 10,000. Let's execute. So we'll get all the entries spent between the 8,500 and the 10,000. We have another operator called like to find the customer's name which starts from some letters. So we'll see how we can do that. So we have select star from customers where name like inside the single quote. So we'll write P%. So it will give all the name which starts from P and after that it can have any letters. So let's execute. So we have got Priya Verma. Similarly, we can write A, execute. So we got 2 rows. Also we can add percent in the beginning. So what it does is it will give all the name where A is in between that name. For example, so we have Amit in the A here. Also we have in between. Similarly, we have A Priya here and Verma at the end. If you want to find a name which ends with some letter, so instead of this we write percent, let's say Y. So it will give all the names ends with Y. Now let's see about logical operators. It is used to combine multiple conditions. We have AND is for all conditions must be true, or at least one condition must be true. Note it reverses the condition. Now let's see about AND, where all conditions must be true. Let's say if you want to get orders where the product is wireless mouse and the quantity is greater than 2. So to do that, we'll write select star from orders where product name equal to wireless mouse and quantity is greater than 2. In this case, we'll add greater than 1 because we have wireless mouse quantity with 2 quantity. Let's execute. So we got that row. So this will return only when the both conditions are true. Now let's say if you want to get orders where the product is wireless mouse or the quantity is greater than 1. So instead of AND, we write OR. Now let's execute. So we got the wireless mouse, that is product name, which is true, and quantity which is greater than 1. So all these quantities are greater than 1. So this will return orders where either the product is a wireless mouse or quantity is greater than 1 or both. Not. It reverses the condition. Example, let's say if you want to get the orders where the product is not wireless mouse. To add that, here we'll add where not product name equal to wireless mouse. So we got all the product which is not wireless mouse. Let's say if you want to show top 5 orders placed for laptop products where the quantity is more than 2 and the order is marked as shipped. Here we have already have the orders. Select star from orders and we'll add the conditions where product name equals it should be laptop, and the another condition was quantity should be greater than 2. So we'll write and quantity greater than 2, and we had another condition and status equal to shipped. So these were the conditions, and we wanted top 5 orders. So we'll order by quantity descending. Now we wanted top 5 orders. So here we'll add top 5 star from orders. Now let's execute. So we have got the top 5 orders where the product name is laptop and the quantity is greater than 2 and the status is shipped. So this query uses comparison operators like equals to, greater than, and use logical operators like and use order by to sort by highest quantity first, and top 5 to show only top 5 qualifying results. Let's recap what we learned today. So we learned arithmetic operators help calculate values. Comparison operators check conditions. Logical operators combine conditions for advanced filtering. So these tools are the backbone of smart SQL queries. Now you know how to use SQL operators in SQL Server. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Drop your questions in the comments, I will reply to all. Thanks for watching and happy querying.